Hi, I'm here from M's Quilt and M's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to show you how to make these cute scrappy X and O blocks. Are you excited for this? You can just use charm squares. They're fast and easy, and they make up a really cute quilt. I use this X block in my bushel and peck quilt. I'll put a link to that in the I'll put a link to that in the description below. Thanks for watching my video. Remember, if you like it, to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. All right, to make our X and O block, we're going to want these are 5-inch squares, and we're going to want 8 3-inch squares. And we're going to draw a diagonal line through the 3-inch squares. So we're going to have our 5-inch square. We're going to take our 3-inch square, put it in one corner, and we're going to stitch in the line. And that will give us this. And we're going to press this back. Make sure that it covers our, I have a thread. Make sure that it covers our corner there before we trim it. Once we make sure that that covers that corner, we're just going to trim our seam allowance. I can't see my 1/4 inch on that side. See it here. Then if you like, you can take this to the sewing machine and just sew a 1/4 inch, and you end up with these cute half square triangles that you can use in another project. Then we're just going to take our another 3-inch square and line that up and stitch along here and do the same thing. Stitch, flip to make sure that it covers, then trim the seam allowance. And you'll end up with this little unit. For our X block, we're going to make 4 of these. And that will be our X block. So these two together, like this, and then when we get those sewn together, we'll take them and put them together. I butt seams, and then I pop them and twist them so I don't get a lot of bulk in the middle. And I will put a card up above and a link down below to my method of doing that. And then we're just going to sew along this seam here, and you'll end up with this cute little X block. For the O block, we're still going to need our 4. We're just going to change the arrangement. So we'll make our O. So these two together. Once those are sewn together, I'm going to take it and sew these two together. And that will give us our cute O block. Thanks for watching my video. We'll see you next time. Bye.